did you experience moments where you became cranky kasi hindi mo makain yung gusto mong kainin or
Not
irritable?
cranky, not irritable, envy.
Oh,
Parang self-pity. Kasi di ba,
okay.
when we go out,
Mm,
parang self-pity, parang I love. Parang
mm.
nakokontrol ko yung, parang na self-pity, naawa ko sa sarili ko.
I kind of understand what you're saying because we can't avoid it. There are certain places na pag pumunta ka, halimbawa, Starbucks, no, the moment the door opens and you smell the aroma of the coffee, you're drawn to it. Or you walk past Shakey's and then pag bumukas yung
Yeah,
pinto ngayon,
and then I love milk tea.
oh,
Di ba?
ako yung
And
mga
then
milk.
my doctor said, oh, learn to drink black coffee. What?
Mm. Yeah, I learned to drink black coffee as
Pwede
well.
sabi, pwede mo cappuccino na. Black coffee nga. Kulit nito.